these are the sheds. I'm sorry for the wind. I will go inside and talk to you, okay? So finally my sheds are home. I've filmed a couple of videos between the first video and this one, but I thought that all I did was to show you the sheds, and yeah, not much more. So I've waited, it's been a couple of months, and now finally I have the sheds at home. So I thought I will show you and yeah, how they are. So this is the entrance. In here I will have a storage room, and this is the yellow shed here. And I've taken up the wall because I will put in a double door. Hopefully, or maybe I will do some kind of time lapse or something for that. So yeah, just taking out the drywall and moved some studs and stuff. So hopefully that will be fixed. Yeah, in a couple of days. And then we will go in here to the other shed. And right now it's very messy. So here I have another, the second shed, which is the white or gray one. And they are quite scuffed up on the outside, so I will fix that and paint and stuff. And I will also look over the roof, because there are some old water damage here, and hopefully that's old stuff. But I will go up to the roof and see. You can see here there is some old stuff there. So yeah, so the work I will do here is, as I told you, put in a double door here. I will open up all of this space here. So this will be open, except for a beam or something in the middle here. And then I will in here I will have my benches and stuff. Yes. Okay, so this will probably just be an update, because I have a lot of things to do. And yeah, right. Before here there was a window, which I will put in here instead. So I will take down the door and put in the window here instead. So I have the window frame here and stuff. So yeah, as I said before, I think I found these modular sheds some miles away. I purchased them and then I had to let them sit there for a couple of months because of stuff. So yesterday or some days ago I got them delivered, and I will put in a time lapse here when we put them in place. So they came on a trailer, and he just lifted them in. And before that we fixed the driveway, which you have already seen, I think. And I put them on stone slabs. Often when you put these kind of modular sheds on a building site, you have big wooden beams, but this is some kind of permanent solution. So I wanted them to be as close to the ground as possible, because here I will have you know, a ramp for the so I can drive in and out with the motorcycles. So I wanted it to be as close to the ground as possible. So yeah. So now today I will remove that last beam up there and put a new one which goes all the way, and hopefully that will be fine. Okay, see you later.